This will be for the con exercise. Use the logarithm change of base rule. All right, they want to know which of the following is equivalent to log base c of 6 divided by log of 6. It's multiple choice, but I'm going to try to find my answer first. All right, we'll call the change of base rule or formula. If you have log base b of a, that's going to equal log of a divided by log of b. As long as these logs match, as long as these log bases match, this works. Okay, and just remember the base number is always the one on the bottom, and the argument, the thing you're taking the log of, is always going to be on top or in the numerator. All right, so here we have log base 10 of 6. Remember, no base written means it's base 10. We want to convert the top to base 10. Okay, so just dealing with log base c of 6. All right, we're going to ignore the numerator at first. Log base c of 6, the argument goes in the numerator. So that's going to be log of 6. And the base number goes in the denominator. So that base right here is c. In the denominator, it's going to be log of c. All right. So we just converted log base c of 6 into log of 6 over log of c. All right, and now I am going to rewrite that part divided by the log of 6. So this whole thing is divided by the log of 6. All right, and really this is a numerator and this is a denominator, so you can cancel those. Okay, if you don't see it, I'll do it the long way. This log of 6, we can just put it over 1 and make it a fraction. And remember, when you divide fractions, keep, change, flip. So we keep the numerator, we change division to multiplication, and we flip or take the reciprocal of the denominator. So this becomes 1 over log 6. All right, so we rewrote this into this right here, and now you can see it more clearly. These fractions are multiplied. We can cancel top and bottom. Log 6 over log 6 cancels, and we're left with 1 over log c. Okay, that's the final answer. All right, so you didn't have to go through this keep, change, flip. I could see immediately this was a numerator, and this was a denominator, so we could have just canceled right there. Anyhow, we're looking for 1 over log c. All right, scrolling down, answer C, 1 over log c. All right, which of the following is equivalent to 1 over log base 3 of m? So I'm going to start by applying my change of base rule and just to see what happens. All right, we have a 1 in the numerator, and applying the change of base rule to this, the log of the argument goes in the numerator, so that's going to be log of m. And the log of the base goes in the denominator, so that's going to be log of 3. All right. And now we can use keep, change, flip. All right. If you just take the reciprocal of this right here, and 1 divided by that, we're going to have log of 3 divided by log of m. All right, and that's times 1, but times 1 does nothing. So this is equivalent to this right here. Now, I looked at the answers. There were no answers in this form. However, we can take this and convert it back to this form. Okay, if you compare this here, these are both in base 10, all right? Log of b is the base number. So if I rewrite log, the thing you're taking the log of in the denominator becomes the new base. So that's going to be base m. See right here, log of b is in the denominator. and that's the base right here. So log of m is in the denominator. That's the base right here. And then the numerator is the argument, the thing you're taking the log of. So log of 3, the argument just goes right there. See, in the numerator, it says log of a, and that's our argument. So that's going to be the argument here as well. So this right here is equivalent to this. And that is one of the answers. Log base m of 3. All right, scrolling down, log base m of 3. All right, which of the following is equivalent to log base c of 16 times log base 2 of c? All right, and they have numerical answers and some log answers. Okay, in my opinion, your best bet is to convert both of these to log base 10. So I'm going to do that on both of these. All right, the first one here, remember the base goes on the bottom. So log of 16 is going to be in the numerator, and log of c is in the denominator. All right, same here. The base is on the bottom, so log of the base is 2. Log of 2 is in the denominator, and the argument is in the numerator. Log of c is in the numerator. Okay, and these fractions are multiplied, so we can cancel top and bottom. Log of c over log of c. And now we have log of 16 divided by log of 2. Now remember, you cannot use the quotient rule on this. The quotient rule is log of 1 log of a fraction equals log of a minus log of b. Okay, but that is not what we have here. All right, this is two separate logs. So we're going to have to use the calculator. Log of 16 divided by log of 2. All right, so if we do log of 16, close parentheses, divided by log of 2, close parentheses, that just equals 4. Now I'm going to show you another way to do it without the calculator. Now, we had log of 16 divided by log of 2, but I can change this into a log of 2. We know that 16 is the same as 2 to the 4th. All right, so I can rewrite log of 16 as log of 2 to the 4th, and that's divided by log of 2. And if you remember the power rule, if the thing you're taking, the argument, the thing you're taking the log of has an exponent, you can take that exponent and move it to the front. Okay, so that's going to be 4 times the log of 2 divided by the log of 2. All right, and of course, log of 2 over itself is just 1. That cancels, and that equals 4. So same answer we got on the calculator. This whole thing is just 4. And that is answer A.